This is Jeff Burris. Welcome to a short training tutorial on how to order photo baptismal certificates online. If you go to order baptismal photos without logging in, you won't see anything. You have to be enrolled. You have to have an account. We encourage you to go to enroll form for baptisms. It's fill this out, make your choices, and that'll help us get your custom layout set up for you so that you can order online. And so we'll make that template. So let me sign in with my account. And now I can go here and go to order baptismal photos. And now there's a product that shows up. That's the way it would be for you too. So pick your product, design it. This is a 2-page product. Page 2 is the wallet photos for the prayer cards. Page 1 is the 8x10 or 5x7s for the baptismal certificate. The wording on them is different, but they're whatever you choose it to be. So in this case, I'm going to click on this image here, and we're going to choose a file to upload, which we'll choose this one here. And that comes in, and we click here and load it in. So it loads into both pages, and this one actually is already cropped just about right, so there's nothing to do but add to cart, and we'll add another group. This one will be called Shepherd. Okay, so the one thing that you need to do on your end before you are ready to upload is take your pictures of your baptisms and change the file name to the name of the person, first name underscore last name. And you'll notice on this one it's first name comma underscore first name underscore comma ampersand underscore Kathy, last name Forrest. This is because these were 3 youths who were baptized all at once. So that's all you need to do ahead of time. And so let's take the rest of these, and we can drag them in, or you can click here and upload them through the website. So they're going to load, and you can do a couple things here. You can let me get right here. You can hit on the magnifier and see the image larger. You can delete the image, or you hover over the middle of it and gives you the file name. We've got some weird characters that always show up in front of the first name, so just ignore those. Those don't affect what you're doing at all. So now we can make this maximum. We click here and we do our next image, which will need crop because this was a should have been shot horizontally, but it wasn't. And don't worry about this low res. That doesn't affect what the output is. So that's looking right. Now notice it put the image on page 2 because it's where we started. So we go back to page 1, and the image is still small. So you have to set both crops up to now. We got Ryan, David, and Kathy, April 4th, 2023, and we're done. So we'll check out. We could just go through and do the rest of these. And well, let me add another group just to show you one more thing. So this is Forrest, and it'll take a second. And hit OK. You'll notice that that image over here disappeared as soon as you've uploaded it into the template and added it to cart. It will no longer be here. You can go back and grab it and do it again if you want, but there'd be no reason to do that. This way you know when you're done is when all your photos have disappeared. From here you've gone through and updated all of them. So we have to do one more to get checked out here. So let's choose, I always like this one. And this one doesn't fit the frame either. It's just slightly smaller than it needs to be. So we make sure we'll get our fingers there. And now this is on page 1, and Sydney Watkins is the name, January 7th. And we'll go to page 2. We have to crop both of them. In fact, since this is the wallet picture, I'm going to make it a lot larger. Again, ignore the fuzzy. This is a low-res version of the image. So we've chosen to make the 8x10 or 5x7 look like this, and we've chosen to make the wallet, which is a smaller photo, larger faces. So that's probably a good idea. So we're going to click Add to Cart, and we're going to check out. We'll do the other photos later. So this one is Watkins. Okay, so we've got Shepard, Forrest, and Watkins. They're $5.50 packages, and there's a shipping of $5 total on the order. And that's it, plus tax if you're in Arizona. So we'll proceed to checkout. Shipping method is $5 for 1, 2, 3, as many as you do. The shipping is still $5. Okay, so we'll call this a test order. And next. Okay, and all we have to do is place order. And I'm going to go ahead and apply a code here that will let me check out without charging a credit card. Normally it would just be a credit card, you'd be done. And place order. You'll get an order number, and in your email, this is order number 2869. It's going to come back to me. This was the last order. Oh, it just came into my inbox in my email. So here's the order, 2869. This is what you would receive after you place your order in a matter of seconds. So it has the billing information, the shipping information, and the thumbnails of the images, and it still has the whoops, just meant to cover, has the reference names for each of those, and has a job name called test order. So you can reference all this to come back to this anytime you want. Please call us at 480 750 9920 if you have any questions. You can email us at printing@groupimaging.com. We look forward to serving you.